ever noticed that your skin seems to know when you're stressed before you even do? Like, you've got a big presentation coming up, and boom, your face decides now is the perfect time to throw a breakout party. Or maybe you're going through a tough week at work, and suddenly your skin is red, sensitive, and just angry at the world. Well, I've got news for you. This isn't just bad luck or bad timing. There's actual science happening inside your body that's attacking your skin from the inside out. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what's going on, why it's happening, and most importantly, how to fight back. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's talk about stress, skin, and the golden ingredient that can save your complexion. Okay, so picture this. You're stressed. Maybe it's work, relationships, finances, whatever it is, your brain is in full panic mode. And here's what most people don't realize. When your brain freaks out, it sends an SOS signal to your entire body, including your skin. This is where cortisol comes in. Cortisol is your body's main stress hormone, and when you're under pressure, your body floods your system with it. Now, cortisol isn't all bad. It's supposed to help you handle danger. But when it comes to your skin, it's basically a wrecking ball. First, cortisol tells your oil glands to go into overdrive. We're talking 30 to 40% more oil production. Then, all that extra oil clogs your pores and creates the perfect breeding ground for acne bacteria. Next, inflammation spreads through your skin tissue like wildfire. Your skin barrier, the protective shield that keeps moisture in and bad stuff out, starts breaking down. Suddenly, your skin becomes super sensitive and reactive to everything. And to top it all off, healing slows way down, so breakouts and irritation stick around way longer than they should. So basically, stress doesn't just make you feel bad, it actively damages your skin through multiple biological pathways. And if you're dealing with chronic stress, like weeks or months of it, the effects can actually become permanent. Now, before you start panicking about your panic, there's good news. Because while stress is tearing down your skin, there's a natural ingredient that's been used for thousands of years that fights back on every single level. Enter turmeric. You've probably seen it in your spice cabinet or in those trendy golden lattes, but turmeric is so much more than a food trend. The magic ingredient inside turmeric is called curcumin, and it's one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. Here's why this matters for stressed skin. Remember that cortisol cascade we talked about? Curcumin literally blocks it. It stops inflammation at the genetic level by blocking something called the NF-κB pathway. Basically, it tells your skin, hey, we're not doing the inflammation thing today. But it doesn't stop there. While stress is breaking down your skin barrier, turmeric helps rebuild it. It stimulates your skin to produce more of those protective oils, helps your skin cells bond together better, and reduces moisture loss. It's like giving your skin a shield against ongoing stress. And then there's the antioxidant power. Stress floods your body with free radicals, these unstable molecules that damage cells and break down collagen. Turmeric neutralizes them before they can do damage. It protects your collagen, keeps your cell membranes healthy, and reduces that overall oxidative stress. But here's what I think is the coolest part. Emerging research shows that turmeric might actually help regulate cortisol itself. It's like a skincare adaptogen. It helps your skin adapt to stress rather than just covering up the symptoms. So even when life continues to be chaotic, your skin learns to stay calm. All right, so how do we actually put this into practice? Let me walk you through an anti-stress skincare routine that protects your skin at every step. In the morning, start with a gentle turmeric cleanser to remove overnight stress hormones and oil without stripping your skin. Then, apply a turmeric toner to restore your pH and deliver that first layer of anti-inflammatory protection. Next up, use a turmeric serum. This is where the concentrated curcumin really goes to work, fighting inflammation deep in your skin. Focus on your stress-prone areas like your forehead and chin. Follow with a lightweight moisturizer to support your barrier and lock everything in. And finally, don't skip SPF. UV stress on top of life stress is a recipe for disaster. At night, double cleanse if you're wearing makeup. Oil cleanser first, then your turmeric gel cleanser to remove all that stress-induced oil and pollution from the day. Apply your toner again to prep your skin for treatment. Then layer on that turmeric serum. Remember, your skin repairs at night, so this is when it works its magic. Finish with a rich turmeric face oil or moisturizer to seal everything in and provide overnight barrier support. Now, here's the thing. Topical skincare is crucial, but it works even better when you support it from the inside. So, try to add in some stress management. Even just 10 minutes of meditation or deep breathing can reduce cortisol by 25 to 30%. Get your 7 to 9 hours of sleep so your body can actually process those stress hormones. Eat anti-inflammatory foods like more turmeric, omega-3s, and lots of colorful fruits and vegetables. And please, please stay hydrated. Dehydration makes every stress effect on your skin so much worse. So here's your action plan. Start building your anti-stress routine today. Give it 6 to 8 weeks of consistency. That's how long it takes to really build resilience in your skin. And remember, you're not just treating symptoms here. You're teaching your skin to stay calm and healthy even when life isn't calm. Your skin can glow even during stressful times. The key is using ingredients that specifically fight stress damage, and turmeric is exactly that ingredient. If you want to try turmeric skincare for yourself, I'll link everything down below. And if you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss future skin-saving tips. Drop a comment and let me know. Does your skin freak out when you're stressed? What's been your biggest skincare struggle? Thanks so much for watching, and remember, stress will always be part of life, but it doesn't get to win. Here's to your golden glow.